tonight, a man's now behind bars accused of killing Spencer and Monique Tepe. Good evening. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Isabel Hansen. The Tepes were shot and killed on December 30th inside their Weinland Park home. The couple's 2 young children, who were also in the home at the time of the shooting, were unharmed. Investigators have been on the hunt for the shooter for the past 11 days, and that search came to an end this morning when police arrested Monique's ex-husband, Michael McKee, in Illinois. We have team coverage for you tonight. Kirsten Lindquist has the latest information on the investigation and the man now charged with murder. And Steve Levine is learning more about how Monique and McKee's relationship came to an end. Let's start with Kirsten. She's live outside CPD headquarters. Kirsten, what do you know?
Well, like you mentioned, Isabel, this has been a long and tedious search for Michael David McKee, who has now been charged with murder in the deaths of both Spencer and Monique Tepe. He has been arrested in Rockford, Illinois, and is currently in a Winnebago County jail, and he awaits an extradition back to Ohio. Now, we have confirmed through the family that McKee is Monique's ex-husband. McKee is accused of shooting and killing Spencer and Monique in their Weinland Park home December 30th. Now, according to court documents obtained by ABC6, the Columbus Police Homicide Unit identified a suspect through surveillance video as well as a vehicle. That vehicle arrived just before and left just after the murders took place. That car was then traced to Rockford, Illinois, with evidence linking McKee to it following the homicides. Now, police have not released a possible motive in this case. Columbus police have posted on social media, quote, "We do not want to compromise the active and ongoing case process, and additional information will be released when appropriate." The family also coming forward and releasing a statement of their own, saying in part, "Today's arrest represents an important step towards justice for both Spencer and Monique. Nothing can undo the devastating loss of 2 lives taken far too soon. Monique and Spencer remain at the center of our hearts, and we carry forward their love as we surround and protect the 2 children they leave behind. We will continue to honor their lives and the light that they brought to this world." Now, Spencer will be remembered as a dentist, while Monique was a stay-at-home mom, but both of them are described to be loving parents to their 2 young children. When we drove by the Tepe family home earlier this afternoon, we saw a growing memorial on their front steps of flowers and teddy bears. Neighbors who did not want to go on camera just said they are devastated by this loss. Now, as far as McKee is concerned, our team spoke with a sergeant at the Winnebago County Jail. He awaits extradition. That extradition hearing is set for Monday. Funeral arrangements for the Tepe couple have also been set. A private service is scheduled for tomorrow. On your side, at Columbus Police Headquarters, I'm Kirsten Lindquist, ABC6 News.
Thank you, Kirsten. Steve Levine's looking into the suspect's divorce with Monique Tepe. And Steve, what did you find out?
Isabel, the couple was married for a little less than 2 years. They wed in August of 2015. This is a copy of the divorce decree approved by a judge in June 2017, just a month after Monique filed for divorce. The court filings indicated the divorce was amicable and listed no major contentious issues between Michael and Monique. The divorce decree stated Monique was awarded the divorce on grounds the parties were incompatible, and Monique was entitled to a divorce. The couple was separated at the time. McKee awarded their Virginia home the 2 had been living in while they were married. McKee was in residency at a Roanoke hospital when the couple divorced. Monique living in Westerville when the divorce was finalized. The couple had no children and no spousal support was awarded. The agreement included a standard mutual temporary restraining order, which is common for divorces such as this that relate to assets and property. Franklin County Court records indicated a hearing was scheduled in September related to this divorce, but no information was listed in the file or in court records. I did reach out earlier this week to the attorney who handled Monique's divorce and asked about that hearing, but I did not hear back. McKee graduated from Ohio State in 2009 and received a medical degree from there in 2014. Records show McKee had a fellowship at the University of Maryland and worked in Las Vegas as a vascular surgeon. McKee also licensed in California, and he most recently had been living in Chicago and working in the Rockford, Illinois area. On your side, Steve Levine, ABC6 News.
Steve,